Hey tool lovers, welcome back to DIY Tools and Equipment, your trusted source for the most innovative tool reviews and revolutionary workshop discoveries. Today, we're diving into 20 revolutionary tools you never knew existed on Amazon. And these game-changing innovations are about to completely transform your entire workshop. From mind-blowing precision devices and ingenious problem-solving tools to breakthrough technology and revolutionary accessories, these hidden gems deliver the professional results that serious craftsmen demand. Whether you're a master craftsman or passionate DIYer, these revolutionary tools represent the absolute cutting edge of innovation and efficiency. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our in-depth tool reviews, hands-on demos, and the most revolutionary tool discoveries. Let's jump in and explore the revolutionary tools that will change everything you thought you knew about your workshop. Achieve precise professional cuts with ease and safety. The Scheppach Table Saw is a versatile and economical solution for both private and professional users. It features a sliding table carriage and table length extension, allowing accurate handling of larger panels. The fully adjustable blade height can be set quickly via the hand wheel, while the blade guard with suction hose outlet ensures dust-free and safe operation. Lightweight design enables easy transport, making it convenient for workshop or site use. With a maximum cut depth of 83 millimeters, this saw is perfect for light-duty and occasional heavy-duty woodworking, providing reliable performance for a wide range of cutting tasks. Tackle concrete, masonry, and heavy-duty drilling tasks with ease. The Bosch Bulldog rotary hammer is a powerful, compact, cordless rotary hammer designed for professional and DIY use. Its ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfort during extended operation, while the lightweight 5.3-pound design provides excellent maneuverability. Equipped with a brushless motor, it maximizes battery runtime and efficiency. The SDS Plus chuck offers compatibility with industry-standard bits, and the multi-function selector allows rotary hammer, rotation-only, or hammer-only modes. Delivering 1.5 foot-pounds of impact energy, it excels in drilling and chiseling. Compatible with Bosch 18-volt batteries and the PRO Plus Guard dust system, it ensures precise, dust-managed concrete work. For precise bends in roofing and sheet metal, accurate control is essential. The Malco Tools 2-station bender is designed for metal roofing and sheet metal fabrication, offering a 0 to 100-degree bending range and adjustable roller spacing for versatile applications. Its quick setup, lightweight, and portable design allows easy transport and use on site. Effortlessly adjust rollers for material thickness and achieve bend depths from 3/16 inch to 5/8 inch. The exclusive angled roller prevents scratching, while the 2mm rollers handle softer materials. Ideal for profiling metal panels, snap lock panels, flashings, gable ends, and custom roofing details, it provides fast, efficient, and professional bends for roofing and sheet metal projects. For professionals working with ultra-hard tiles, precision and clean cuts are crucial. The Distar Termit Diamond cutting blade is a high-performance 76mm turbo disc designed for ultra-strong porcelain stoneware up to 10 millimeters thick. Its diamond-bearing layer of 1.0 millimeters and body thickness of 0.8 millimeters provide durability and precise cutting, while the 10mm mounting hole ensures compatibility with most angle grinders. The turbo design allows exceptional maneuverability, making it perfect for trimming hard-to-reach areas where larger 115 to 125mm discs cannot reach. It delivers clean, chip-free cuts along the entire workpiece length and operates in dry mode without additional cooling, ideal for professional tile installations. For precise metal bending and roofing applications, having a versatile and efficient tool is essential. The HONTAITUO 3-station roller bender is a large sheet metal bender designed for 0 to 90 degrees bending of metal roofing and other materials. It features adjustable bending for 5/8 inch to 4 inches in 29 to 22 gauge steel, a 3-wing bolt locking system, 6 solid steel guide rods, and an aluminum alloy handle for easy operation. The accurate metric depth gauge and additional locking pliers ensure precision, while its all-metal construction with brass and stainless steel components guarantees durability. Ideal for metal roofing, sheet metal fabrication, and labor-saving, efficient bending tasks. For precise shaping and bending of sheet metal, having a reliable, compact tool is essential. The Malco one-station metal disc bender is a sheet metal roller tool designed to create 5/16 inch to 1 and 1/8 inches curved or straight bends with a 0.059-inch bend radius. Its removable disc handle allows users to make cross breaks, start bends on flat panels, and create decorative designs, while also enabling compact storage. Featuring premium CNC aluminum and stainless steel components, the bender is lightweight, portable, corrosion-resistant, and quick to set up, making it ideal for metal roofing, sheet metal fabrication, and precise bending tasks in workshops or on-site. For fast and precise screw driving, a reliable and versatile electric tool is essential. The Beta Evox-E Electric screwdriver comes in 2 models, one 210E/GE with 6 bits and one 211E/GE with 1000-volt insulated bits. It features a double button for screwing and unscrewing operations, delivering maximum torque of 1.2 Newton-meters in electric mode and manual screwing up to 12 Newton-meters. The tool is 4 times faster than manual tightening, supports up to 1,000 screw fastenings per charge, and recharges in under 2 hours. 4 front LED rings provide excellent visibility in tight spaces, while its ergonomic grip ensures comfort and precision, ideal for assembly, maintenance, and small space applications. Accurate leveling and alignment are essential for professional trades and precise construction work. The OX Pro Level range is built with the professional tradesman in mind, featuring high-accuracy dual-view vials for faster readings at multiple angles, making it easier to assess plumb uprights and level surfaces. Constructed from premium-quality aluminum, it includes 2 fine-milled straight-edge surfaces for end-to-end precision in horizontal and vertical applications. Removable shockproof rubber end caps protect against drops, while air-cushioned handles provide comfort and secure handling. Designed for precision, dependability, and durability, this range ensures reliable leveling and marking for all trades requiring professional performance and consistent accuracy. Cutting metal panels accurately and efficiently is essential for professional sheet metal work. The Malco TurboShear Rotary Panel Cutter is a game-changing tool designed for ribbed steel panels, vinyl, aluminum, and other standard sheet materials. It features 2 hardened high-strength alloy steel cutting discs that handle painted steel up to 22 gauge with precision. The tool pulls itself along the panel, reducing user fatigue, while the replaceable blades ensure long-lasting performance. A clear sightline allows for straighter, cleaner cuts, and its smooth, quiet operation enhances on-site usability. Compatible with portable power bases, it's perfect for panels, trim, and flashing work with professional accuracy. Precise and secure gripping tools are essential for working in tight and variable spaces. The Beta push-button adjustable pliers feature a patented mechanism for jaw adjustment and automatic locking, allowing up to 23 positions within a 250mm length. The push-button slip joint ensures the jaws release only when intended, preventing accidental slippage. Semi-rounded, serrated jaws provide a secure grip on pipes, sheet metal, and hex nuts, while the tapered head allows quick access in restricted spaces. Textured PVC handles ensure a non-slip hold, making these pliers safe, versatile, and effective for plumbing, metalwork, and general maintenance applications requiring precision and control. Every maker and DIY enthusiast needs a versatile tool for precision tasks in tight spaces. The GROWNEER Mini Rotary Toolkit is an 8-volt rechargeable rotary tool with 5 adjustable speeds and 117 multi-purpose accessories for polishing, sanding, drilling, engraving, and even pet nail care. Its brushless motor delivers strong, consistent performance, while LED lights illuminate work areas for precision. The rapid locking system allows quick bit changes without interruptions, and the Type-C fast-charging battery ensures up to 30% longer runtime. Lightweight and cordless, this kit is ideal for woodworking, metalwork, DIY crafts, and detailed home projects, combining convenience, power, and versatility in one compact solution. For woodworking enthusiasts and small workshop users, achieving smooth, precise surfaces efficiently is essential. The Scheppach Table Planer Thicknesser features 2 high-speed planing knives running at 8,000 RPM, ensuring clean, accurate cuts. It's a planing table 737 by 210 millimeters and a thicknessing table 350 by 204 millimeters accommodates a variety of workpieces, while the planer fence 520 by 102 millimeters and angular adjustment 90 degrees to 45 degrees offer versatile cutting options. Anti-kickback claws enhance safety, and the hand crank height adjustment plus extendable workpiece support provide precision and ease of use. Compact and vibration resistant, this combination planer thicknesser is ideal for small workshops, hobbyists, and professional woodworkers alike. Accurate leveling and distance measurement are essential for precise DIY, renovation, and construction work. The HOZO M-Cube02 laser level is a modular anti-gravity laser tool combining horizontal and vertical laser leveling with a 164 feet green laser distance measure, allowing simultaneous or independent use. Its 360-degree rotating P2P laser measure and center finder enhance precision for picture hanging, cabinet mounting, shelf installation, and wallpaper alignment. The 55,000 Pascal wall suction system ensures hands-free operation on various surfaces with auto repump, LED pressure alerts, and battery warnings for safety. Bluetooth app control, a quick-release magnetic stand, and a rechargeable battery make it versatile, efficient, and ideal for indoor and outdoor projects. Efficient and precise fastening tools are essential for quick and comfortable DIY tasks. The DuroFort cordless screwdriver is an 8-volt, 10-Nm rechargeable electric screwdriver designed for versatility and ease of use. Featuring 320 RPM with 10+1 torque settings, a 2-position ergonomic handle, and a flexible shaft, it ensures control in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The 2,000 mAh battery with 1-hour fast charge and built-in LED light provides extended operation and visibility. Equipped with a 1/4-inch magnetic quick-change chuck and 39 driver bits, this screwdriver is ideal for furniture assembly, cabinet hinges, outlet replacement, and various light to medium DIY projects, making it perfect for home and office use. Accurate and efficient cable preparation is essential for professional electrical work. The Cembre automatic wire stripper is designed to strip PVC insulated cables from 24 to 10 AWG and cut conductors from 24 to 14 AWG with precision. It features automatic stripping force adjustment based on cable size and manual adjustment options for soft or tough insulation. The stripping length is adjustable from 6 to 18 millimeters, while conductor cutting accommodates 0.2 to 2.5 square millimeter wires. Lightweight and easy to handle, these automatic wire stripper pliers ensure clean, reliable results for electricians, DIYers, and professionals working on cable installation, maintenance, and electrical wiring projects. For tackling tough fastening and loosening tasks, a reliable impact wrench is essential. The Beta Impact Wrench delivers professional-grade performance with a maximum unscrewing torque of 750 Nm. It features 3 screwing speeds for precise control and a double hammer impulse device, providing increased durability, power, and efficiency. The ergonomic, vibration-damping handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing user fatigue. Built for strength and reliability, this tool excels in heavy-duty applications, including automotive repair, machinery assembly, and construction projects, allowing fast and secure tightening or loosening of bolts and nuts with unmatched precision and professional results. For achieving smooth, professional finishes on walls and ceilings, an efficient sander is indispensable. The Scheppach Wall and Ceiling Sander is designed for plasterboard walls, adhesive residue, and filler, featuring a powerful 710-watt motor and variable speed control, 800 to 1,800 RPM for precise results on different surfaces. Its large 210mm hook and loop sanding disc and telescopic function up to 1,700mm make overhead and hard-to-reach work effortless. The 4-meter extraction hose connects to vacuum systems for dust-free sanding, and the LED work light, detachable cover, and adjustable sanding head 0 to 90 degrees improve usability. Comes with 6 sanding discs for versatile applications. For projects that demand maximum strength and reliability, having a robust anchoring system is essential. The Dewalt Undercut anchors provide an OSHA-compliant anchor installation system designed for critical mechanical connections. Made in the USA, they feature a hollow drill bit with a stop collar to achieve precise hold depth while extracting dust. The hollow undercut bit with carbide cutting teeth creates the undercut and removes debris simultaneously. Insert the critical connection anchor and use the setting tool to drive the preset expansion sleeve over the threaded rod. The anchor's expansion cone ensures a secure key into concrete for high-tension load capacity, delivering reliable, professional results. For precise and efficient cutting in woodworking, a reliable and versatile saw is essential. The Scheppach Mitre saw features a 255mm saw blade and a lightweight die-cast aluminum design for easy transport. Its powerful 2,000-watt motor handles a variety of cutting applications, while the compact benchtop design fits neatly in small workshops. The 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade ensures sharp, clean cuts, and the built-in laser enhances cutting precision. With a cross-cut width of up to 340mm, a fully enclosed blade guard, soft start functionality, and included 48-tooth and 60-tooth blades, this miter saw is perfect for accurate crosscuts, miters, and professional woodworking projects. For efficient cutting, grinding, and shearing, a high-performance grinder is indispensable. The Beta Brushless Angle Grinder features a brushless digital motor with 115mm and 125mm discs and a 20-volt battery power, delivering a free speed of 8,000 RPM for fast, precise work. Its lock-on-off slide switch, spindle lock, and disc cover with quick release system ensure safe and easy operation. The additional handle with 2 positions and 5 dust-protected air vents provides comfort and optimal cooling during extended use. Ideal for shearing, grinding, and filing jobs, this angle grinder combines durability, safety, and high performance for professional and DIY applications. That wraps up 20 revolutionary tools you never knew existed on Amazon. Which revolutionary tool blew your mind the most? Is there an innovative device or game-changing accessory you can't wait to try? Drop your favorites in the comments. We love hearing which revolutionary tools are making your wish list and how you'll use them in your projects. If you discovered a must-have revolutionary tool today, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews, the latest tool innovations, and revolutionary finds you won't see anywhere else. Stay tuned for more hands-on tests and revolutionary tool discoveries coming soon.